Spin it because the yolk is like. Oh, got it twice. It's five.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels
Just waking up like that.
So here I am looking like a complete idiot trying to feed these hummingbirds who weren't paying me any attention at all. They were flying around everywhere except for my hand, but it was still a pretty cool experience. Even if they didn't want to feed out of my hand, this whole experience was really awesome. These hummingbirds were the coolest thing. They were just everywhere. Like, look at these two. It's awesome. You really got to come to this place. So right above the hummingbird feeding area, there's a spiral staircase and a tower. Myself, LaShawn, and Lucia went up to the top of the tower. That thing was rocking like crazy. So we didn't spend a lot of time up there, but the view was incredible, as you can see.
I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. How much you're messing with me. How much you're messing with me.
You can stay in the garden as long as you like it.
How much you're messing with me. How much you're messing with me.
There. That's with a hummingbird, you put your finger with banana and they'll come to your finger. That's it. This side for them to go. Put your finger to it, or the one you want to catch. Put the dough. Put the banana like this.
So after we left the butterfly sanctuary, Lucia took us to the Kinde coffee tour. This place has coffee and chocolate tours, but their specialty is coffee. You get to learn the process, the growing, the regions that it grows in, where the coffee came from, and how it's processed. If you love coffee, I'd highly recommend this tour. You actually get to go through the process of making your own coffee. So we were already having a great time on our trip to Mindo, but it got even better when we made it to Yumbo's Chocolate. We were able to learn everything you could possibly want to know about chocolate, where it came from, how it's grown, how to consume the seeds, how it's fermented, how it's processed into all the chocolate products that we know and love.
What you see here are some of the products they have for sale. I did purchase this salsa barbecue. We also purchased a few bars of the chocolate they had as well.
Military satellites, all of these more than 20. And we use this one, that is the European one, Spain and Portugal. And this is the official location where we are, right here. So it's 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 0, 0, 26 seconds, 7, 9, 30. North direction, yeah? Not 0 for complete, yet. We're going to catch up with the south latitude. So in order to go right there, please keep watching.
Oh,
Let me go back a little bit. All right, south 0. That they call it normal. And they use the shadow in order to know the real season and that they were here on the land. Well, let me show you how it works. It's because it's working with the sun. I know it's not sunny. It's working. Let me show you how is it, okay? So, picture, then my hand is the sun. And this is the southern hemisphere, another one, right? So, the sun is right here in the south. That means that the shadow should be in the north. The shadow represents cold season. That means for the north is autumn and then winter. While the sun is right here in the south. Obviously hot season for the south, yeah? Spring and summer. This is happening twice a year. Because the sun is switching among the both hemispheres twice a year. Equinoxes, March the 21st, September the 23rd. When there are equinoxes, it's so easy to see how the sun is coming like this. At the noon, the light of the sun is falling straight down here. That's right here on the line. The shadow disappears. Every single day, the sun is shining from east to west. When it's light and the sun is shining like this, the shadow is reflected right here, 6 a.m. During the day, the sun is coming like this, in the shadow, like this. At the noon, the sun will be right there, shadow is straight down here. for the afternoon when the sun goes down, it's moving to the west. And the shadow right here. 6 a.m., 6 p.m. So here in Ecuador, every single day is like this. Yeah, 6 a.m. light and 6 p.m. night, no more. It's not like your country. In your country, there are long days, short nights. Change the time in the opposite of the next season, short days, long nights, right? But here, no. Every single day is like this. You think it's so boring here. But this is not a scientific demonstration ever. It's just for fun. But it's the best way to know how colors work, okay? So, figure it out. Picture that we are going to flash the toilet 3 times. 3 different places over the planet Earth, okay? First of all, right here on the equator. And then in the south, afterwards in the north. And let's see the difference. Please focus on the surface and the lips. Ready? How the lips fell down? Straight. There was any deflection? No. Any spinning, right? Now let's see what is happening right there in the south.
Alright, let's see Brazil.
Ready?
Ready.
Brazil. It's clockwise, right? And so here in the south, phenomenon like cyclones are spinning clockwise. And now let's Wisconsin toilet. Ready? Let's do it. Wisconsin clockwise, yeah? And so here
Next, you are challenged to see who can balance the egg on the nail. Of course, yours truly balanced the egg on the first try. So it's Steve's turn. Unfortunately, luck was not on his side. Yours truly again. This time the egg is vertical. Balanced on the first try.
arms out, chin up, chin up.
Now you had to walk the red line, eyes closed, arms out, and walk it completely without going off.
Too much work.
Steve did okay, but yours truly, once again, did it perfectly.
I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you on my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal.
She ain't on the line no more.
It'd be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion.
This concludes our tour. Mindo was beautiful. We enjoyed the tour. Now we head back to Quito. What would be good right now is some bizcochos. Bye.
Yeah, that's impressive. How much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the